Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how do you change the dynamics in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go ahead and download it from the App Store, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments that you can play. You can get started with opening of the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with changing the dynamics of our track. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and open up any of the instruments right here. It's going to open up the same menu. I'm just going to open up the audio recorder, and now it's going to open up this recording menu where we can get started with recording our process and so on. So guys, the first thing we want to do is open up the edit menu to find all the tracks that we have recorded and so on. So here in the upper left corner, click on the edit button. That's going to open up this mixing mode where you can find all the tracks that we have, as you can see right here. And now we can get started with changing the dynamics. Basically guys, to be able to change your dynamics and set what you want to go ahead and find the track you want to change them for and tap on it. After tapping on it, it's going to open up this new menu right here where one of the options is called settings. And guys, in the settings we have the audio recorder option where we can go ahead and manage the gain, we have our speed and so on, so you can manage the dynamics right here. But in general, if you want to find all the dynamics for your track, you're going to click the sliders button right here at the top of the screen. That's going to open up the track settings. So under track settings guys, you can see you have your track volume, which you can go ahead and manage to manage the track volume. You have your plugins right here like the treble, bass and the echo and reverb, all the dynamics that you need for setting up your tracks, and adding the effects are right here, so you can go ahead and play around with them to get your desired effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.